welcome to this lesson today. This is Kevin Kids Tutorials, your piano tutor from Kenya. Today I have a piano 7, a 1, 5, 1, 5, 4, 5 in the key of F sharp. The keyboard is transposed to -9. So I'm going to play it, then I'm going to show you. Yeah, so maybe you have heard this tune being played in so many places, but you have not understood. So this is how it is played. So we start with the 1. Yeah, this is the root chord of 1. This is the root chord of F sharp. Yeah. So if you have any challenge of understanding the chords and the formation, the major scale, you can just let me know in the comment section. I'll share a lesson I've made for free. Yeah, so we start from the 1. This is the root chord of F sharp. So we have 1, 3, and then we have 1 again. So hope you have seen. And then to the 5. This is the first inversion of C sharp. The root chord is this one. So when these two remain constant, we had this 5 here. This is also the 5. When we carry it from here to here, it becomes this. So we have this 5. So we have 2 and 5 at once, then we add 7. So 2 and 5 at the same time, 7 at its own time. Then we move 7, 6, 5. So now we come to the 4. This is the second inversion. This is the second. This is the first, sorry. So when these two remain constant, and then we play them like this, and we take this 6 from here, we put it this side, so it becomes like this. Then back to the 5. The 5 we had 2 and 5 the same time for 2 times, then 7, then the run from the 7, 6 and 5. So let's repeat slowly. 1, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, let's repeat again. Yeah, so that's how it's played. Maybe we can play it with a very slow tempo so that you can understand. So very quick recap. So 1 5 4 5, back to the 1. So guys, kindly subscribe for more of this, like this lesson. Yeah, subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know in the comment section any song you want me to play for you. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, thank you guys.